We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with COSM Holdings Inc. actually having a sideways action right after trying to bring itself back up, almost ending up right where it opened here in the after hours. But it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market did as well. And our SPY bot at 8:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. The inflows had crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision. Going into the bell, inflows stayed above the midpoint and shifted from red to green, and call options went up 70% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with COSM Holdings Inc. trying to fight and stay above 40 cents. Came almost all the way back up to 50 cents where it closed off yesterday at around 48 cents. And rejected. We're going to break it all down in today's video and what the inflow versus outflow is showing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 9:50 a.m. And from that moment forward, the outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with COSM stock, Holdings Inc. trying to fight and get back towards 50 cents. And we need to talk about what's going on here within the charts as it tries to fight and stay above the recent lows, right? And today, it did a full transition from white with red borders to dark green. It didn't complete the full transition on the 30-minute, but on the 15-minute, it did, right? It went from a dip area to a rip area on 42 vision. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, white with red borders is what I like to call the dip area, and bright green is the rip area, and the transitions happen back down. The one piece that's missing here is white with red borders to hit a dip area here on the 15-minute. Now, apart from 42 vision and the dips and the rips that we're able to see here with 42 vision, we also use the bull and bear indicators and the inflow versus outflow, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to the bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. Now in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds an extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with Holdings Inc. COSM stock under a bull indicator, right? Within all this volatility and slight pullback here towards the end of the day, a bull indicator popped up around 41 cents. But these outflows, guys, we need to watch them very carefully here as it's trying to hold itself up, but just crossed the midpoint and we're at minus 0.003. Now, this is very important because it could find support and quickly bring itself back up. It's in a middle ground here, and it's going to be even more crucial for this bull indicator to not get canceled by a bear indicator. If it does, and these outflows continue, that will quickly reflect into the chart, and we may even break through pivotal support levels here, which we're going to look at that in just a moment, because in yesterday's video, we've been talking about the possibility of a double bottom before taking off again. Not guaranteed, but here we are at the critical levels between 40 and 45 cents, and we got a bull indicator. Yet the outflows are trying to dominate again. This is crucial going into tomorrow and the rest of this week. Now, on the 15-minute, it's going to be crucial for these inflows to find support and bounce back up. But we are under a bear indicator here. But if you look at the 15-minute, it is a lot more volatile and switches much more quicker, right? We need it to actually bring itself back up. Even if it can cancel this bear indicator, get another bull indicator in the process. But most importantly, get those inflows upwards, so then that could start reflecting and rolling over into larger time frames, such as the 30-minute, right? That's what we're looking for. And if we can get that going, the next level of area that I'm going to be watching is the 1 hour, as it's really, really close here. It's been green since yesterday and working its way up towards the midpoint, right? I stated, even if it doesn't cross over, we want these inflows to stay green and work their way up closer to the midpoint. And here we are on the 1 hour, getting really close. Now, this is the area where it becomes pivotal. Will it reject and bring itself downwards and start reflecting into the chart and bring it down with it? Or is it going to work its way towards breaking through it and pulling upwards, which could quickly start to reflect into the chart, continue this transition from a dip area, going into red bars, then dark green, and then bright green like it did here. Full transition from the dip to the rip. Inflows pick back up, and it got a bull indicator there, and we want to see that happen here as well if these transitions can continue and these inflows can pick up on the 1 hour. Now, let's talk about support. The first support level is 38 cents. Below that is 35 cents, and then comes 30 cents. But to the upside, we want to see this break back above 45 cents, use that as support, bounce off of it, gain strength, and go back up towards 55 cents, guys. That's going to be crucial on its way back up on the strength of these charts, right? We want to get to 45, skip over 50. 50 could be used as support in between, but 55 cents can start getting things moving closer to where this bear indicator popped up yesterday, right? At around 56 cents, 57 cents. But we need these inflows to pick back up on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, break through these resistance, and we want this bull indicator to hold strong and true within the volatility and not have a bear indicator pop up to cancel it, guys. That's going to be crucial. That's going to be critical. And here we are under a bull indicator, slight pullback, and outflows are trying to dominate. I'm going to be watching this very carefully on the 30-minute, on the 15-minute, but especially on the 1 hour, as we're really close here to the midpoint, and we want to see this crossover, because the last time it did, the stock went from 49 cents all the way up to 68 cents. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.